everyone, my name is Sumit. Welcome to my YouTube channel MS04JS Vlogs. Today I'm going to talk about the ownership video of my bike, that is TVS Apache RR 310 BS4 2018 model. So let's go to the bike and let's get started. As you can check, this is TVS Apache RR 310. It's a BS4 model 2018. मैंने ये गाड़ी लिया था 1st of October 2018 में. So completed 1.5 years with this bike. So I will be giving my feedback about this bike, how it performs, how it works, what's the issue is, and which all ride I have done with this bike. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, the first one I'm going to cover is about the looks of this bike. So as you can check, it have a proper structure of a sports bike, okay, and it's a complete tourer and sports bike which you can take for a long ride as well as on a track. Okay. इस बाइक की मुझे एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगती है, जैसे जब कहीं भी मैं पार्क कर दूँ इस बाइक को और कोई देखे ना, ये हो नहीं सकता. हर किसी ने इसे मुड़ के देखा है. So yes, I love this bike and the structure of this bike, and it's my first bike, so yeah, I love it. Okay, so guys, मैं आपको एक और चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब मैंने ये बाइक ली थी 2018 अक्टूबर में, so इस मॉडल में इस बाइक कंपनी के पास सिर्फ 2 ही कलर वेरिएंट अवेलेबल थे. फर्स्ट इज़ द ग्लॉसी रे एंड द सेकेंड इज़ द ब्लैक मैट ब्लैक. आज 2020 में there are more colors variant available, so you can go ahead and check out with that bikes. Okay. The second thing I'm going to talk about the riding posture. So as you can, I've already told you that it's a tourer plus sports bike. So yes, it works as a tourer and sports bike. You can take for a long ride, and if you have a height of 5'4", yes, easily you can ride this bike. Okay, I have a height of 5'10", so you can check. I can touch my legs properly at the ground. Okay, so yes, and I don't need to bend like this. Okay, it's a normal position for every biker. It doesn't have an aggressive look like this or like this. Because of this, you will get a spine pain, which will affect your back and your future as well. Okay, so it doesn't have an aggressive look as well. Okay, and I like the posture I ride. Okay, whenever you want to go on a high speed, yes, directly you can bend and you can go ahead. Okay, over here I've done like I think 174 km/h. Yeah, I don't remember exact number because I've resetted the top speed multiple times, so I will let you know further. चलिए देखते हैं मैंने लास्ट टॉप स्पीड क्या अचीव किया इस बाइक पे. Okay, so let's check out. So that's the 170 km/h. That's the last top speed I've achieved on this bike, and might be I've not resetted after that. So yes, but usually I think the max top speed I have achieved on this bike it's 174 km/h. Okay, so next thing I will be talking about the average. वैसे कभी मैंने एवरेज इतना चेक तो किया नहीं बाइक लेने के बाद, but according to me the average which I get in the city it's near about 26 to 28 km/L, and on the highway it gives me near about 30 to 35 approximately km/L. Okay, and let's check what's the mileage I get on my bike. Okay, so you have already started it. Okay, so let's see. So it's showing as 29 km/L. Okay, so that was about the average I was talking about. Okay, and the last thing, as I told you, I will be talking about the problems which I faced with this bike. Okay, the major issue is the vibration of this bike. Okay, so you must have seen many videos where every people says that they are facing an issue with the vibration, but I can recommend one thing over here, that the thing is you can get rid of your vibrations on this bike, because I have tried and I've also taken some guides and reviews from my friends, okay, because they have ride my bike and according to them there are no vibrations. So I've done simple modifications, not the modification actually. What I've done is, at the joints on the front fairing, under the tank and under the seat, I have updated with the double tape. Okay, so the double tape I have updated at every joints of the front fairing, like you can see over here, this part over here, you can see the over here double tape. Yes, so over here you just need to update a small piece of double tape over here. I've also updated the double tape over here on the both side, okay, under the seat, and some amount of double tape you can apply on under the tank over here, okay, which will reduce the vibration on your bike. And I can tell you that I have got rid of about 70% of the vibration on my bikes. Okay, so I will be putting this review which I've got from my friends regarding my bike. Okay, so let's go ahead and check. So you can also enjoy some of the photos which I've done ride on my bike. Just go ahead and check and come back. I hope you will like this video. Okay, this was just a small ownership review. I'm not a professional on this. Okay, so मैंने सिर्फ मेरे बारे में और मेरे बाइक्स के बारे में बताया. इसमें मैंने किस तरीके से मेरा बाइक परफॉर्म कर रहा है. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do comment down below. I'm open for the feedback. And please subscribe the channel. Do hit the bell button. Whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.